I sit by the window on the bus. I sit by the window on the bus.
I use my card to take the subway. I use my card to take the subway.
The bus is very crowded in the morning. The bus is very crowded in the morning.
I wait for the green light to cross. I wait for the green light to cross.
I buy a coffee on my way to work. I buy a coffee on my way to work.
I use my ID card to enter the office. I use my ID card to enter the office.
I take the elevator to my office. I take the elevator to my office.
I turn on my computer when I arrive. I turn on my computer when I arrive.
I say good morning to my colleagues. I say good morning to my colleagues.
I check my schedule and start my day. I check my schedule and start my day.